Have you ever opened an email and immediately hit just delete? It probably was cluttered, confusing, or just plain ugly. Now, think about an email you actually enjoyed reading. What was the difference? The answer almost always is design. The Ultimate Design Playbook Part 1, The Foundations. What's up? My name is Ace, and welcome to Part 1 of our series on crafting emails that people love to open. Today, we're laying down the foundation, and once you get this right, everything else is going to fall into place. Principle 1, branding your North Star. Your email doesn't live on an island. It's an extension of your brand. Before you even think about your message, you want to think about your consistency here, okay? Your subscribers should know an email is from you at a single glance. This builds trust and recognition. So, rule number 1, place your logo prominently. Usually this is done here at the top of the email like this. Use your brand colors, okay? Not a million of them. You want to stick to 2 or 3 primary and secondary colors for your headings, your buttons, and links. And choose readable brand aligned fonts. A playful brand can use a more creative font for headings, but keep the body text simple and clean. And principle 2, layout and the power of single column. On the left is a cluttered multi-column email from the 2000s, and here on the right, a clean modern single column email. And next up, layout, okay? In the early days of email, we saw a lot of multi-column layouts that tried to mimic websites. But today, the undisputed champion is that clean single column layout. Why? Well, there's actually 3 reasons, okay? First, it's mobile first these days. Over half of all emails are now opened on mobile, and a single column is just a natural fit for these vertical screens. Second, it's focused. It guides the reader's eye down a single clear path. And third, it's just simpler to build, and because of that, it's much less likely to break. Principle 3, creating that visual hierarchy. All right, let's talk about guiding the eye. This is called a visual hierarchy. Look at this email. Where are you supposed to look, right? It's impossible to know. It's overwhelming. And this is just one of those emails that you would probably just automatically delete and not give a second look. But now look here. This is the same email. It's just now broken into paragraphs. It has a headline and a CTA. Your eye is immediately drawn to the headline, right? Then you scan to the key points. And finally, you land on that bright clickable call to action button. You create the hierarchy here with the size, for example. You want to make your headlines bigger to kind of break it up a little bit. And the color, you want to use a vibrant color for your most important element, which in this example is the CTA. And then there is space. Don't be afraid of white space, okay? It gives your content room to breathe, and it makes it feel way less intimidating. So that's our foundation, okay? Be true to your brand, embrace that single clean column layout, and guide the reader with strong visual hierarchy. Master these principles, and you're already ahead, like way ahead of the game. And in part 2, we're taking these foundations and getting super practical with them. We'll open up the email builder and start constructing the perfect email piece by piece. From the pre-header to the footer, you won't want to miss it. So subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you in that video.